Alright, in this video we're going to go over a quick market update for this week starting November 23rd, 2020. There's two main pairs that I'm watching this week that are could develop pretty soon. I'm going to just go over those real quick, and I'm going to start with New Zealand dollar, US dollar. This pair has been trending up on this daily for quite some time and is meeting some good resistance here at 60.695. The weekly has been accelerating for some time, but we could get some deceleration this week, and the daily's decelerating fairly nicely. On the monthly up here on the top left, you can see it looks like it has broken this 50 EMA, and to take this short, I would be targeting the monthly 50 EMA and this daily support and resistance level down here around 0.67 area, and then possibly looking for a long if it reaches this level. So on the lower time frames for New Zealand US dollar, you can see the 1 hour chart has already broken this trend line and is coming back to retest it and the 50 EMA, which the 50 EMA hasn't really been acting as dynamic support and resistance as of late, but it is still up here in this area. The main thing I'm looking for is on the 4 hour chart up here on the top left. I want to see it form a lower high or decelerate around this trend line, just because we do not have a trend change confirmation on the 4 hour yet. It is still making higher highs and higher lows. So the 1 hour has formed a lower low, and so I would like some deceleration or what looks like a lower high on the 4 hour around this same area on the 1 hour whenever it reaches this. So the next pair is pound US dollar. And kind of similar to New Zealand US dollar, nice support and resistance level here at 1.335. It has been trending up for some time and is at this level currently, and may take a few more days to show some deceleration. I don't know if today is going to end in this high test, but that is looking pretty good. Weekly level, monthly level is still at that same 1.335. So going down to the lower time frames on pound US dollar, just waiting for a trend change. Just like New Zealand US dollar, this one is not as developed. So again, on the 1 hour, we want to see some trend changes. We want to see some lower highs and lower lows, some confirmation on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. The 4 hour, the 50 EMA has been respected better than the 1 hour, so may even wait for a break and retest of the 4 hour 50. So in the other historical data, it hasn't been respected. But if that coincides with a lower low, lower high, the break and retest of this 50 EMA, that would be ideal for me. So that's pretty much it. These two pairs are the main ones that I'm watching this week. There's really nothing else that I want to get into. There are some other pairs that I'm watching, possibly some Australian dollar plays, but really nothing notable. A lot of them are doing this consolidation on the dailies, so don't really want to get into that, but just be careful on these pairs that are at good levels but have been consolidating for some time. So hope that video helps. Let me know in the comments if you all liked it or have any questions, or if there's some pairs y'all are watching, and I'll be happy to take a look at them. Thanks.